welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. This video, I'm going to show you how to fix your window. So you get your power window right here, and you have to reset it sometimes. Sometimes it'll go down. It might be frozen right now, but this is like a show you. So you might try to make it go down, and it'll get stuck. So to reset your master control switch, it's inside underneath this pan. You have to take the panel off. But anyway, you don't have to do that for this video. So this is like a troubleshoot. If your power window is stuck, this is what you do. So you do this, you hold that button in and make it go all the way down. You wait a few seconds, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds, and then make it go all the way up, all the way to the top. Keep holding the button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then do it. Then make it go all the way down. And you want to do this 4 or 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back up. You want to hold it as you go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then do the opposite. Make it go back down all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to do this 4 or 5 times, and then eventually you'll reset the computer. So what happens is sometimes if you disconnect the battery in your car, your vehicle, these newer vehicles, you disconnect it. And then you connect it back up. The computers, there's computers in the car. The computers sometimes they don't reset right, or they have to pretty much relearn how to work. So you're pretty much reteaching. It's not artificial intelligence, but you're reteaching the computer software to make this go up and down, and the automatic where you just press that and it goes down by itself, or pull on it and it goes up by itself. So that's how you possibly fix that issue. So this is a RAV4. It's a lot of snow out here. It's a 2010 Toyota RAV4 Limited. So that's how you fix that issue. It snowed like a foot in one day. It was 70 degrees yesterday, and it snowed the next day. Crazy weather. But this has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great and wonderful day.